foreign media and embassy officials in China celebrated the Dragon Boat Festival together. Enjoying Beijing opera, listening to Chinese drumming in the Pigment Club, watching intangible cultural heritage craftsmanship, and rapping zongzi. The festival holds the honor of being the first Chinese festival to be recognized as a World Heritage. Eating zongzi has become one of the most influential Chinese folk food customs.
Today I was wrapping a zongzi rice dumpling. It has glutinous rice and a date, and I think this is a leaf. And I wasn't very good at folding it, so my Laoshi here, my teacher, helped me a lot to fold it. And now I have a delicious culture zongzi snack.
Today we came to celebrate the Guangwu Festival, Dragon Festival. Today we get experience actually to do some status like this. It is really funny, and also they teach us how to make zongzi, which is a very good experience today. Yes, it's funny.